Boys and girls, before you read the story, A World of Change, I would like you to look at the pictures and make a prediction. You're going to write your prediction right here in this line. Now, after you have read the part about tiny pieces of rock turn into soil, I would like to know what causes tiny pieces of rock to turn into soil. Look back in your story to help you find the answer. To get the answer for the effect of tiny pieces of rock and soil turn into soil, you're going to go to the heading Slow and Steady and reread the second paragraph. Weathering occurs when rain, snow, sun, and wind break down rocks into smaller pieces. These tiny pieces of rock turn into soil, but they are not carried away from the landform. So I see where it says rock turns into soil. So I know here the cause, oh, that's not a good color to use. The cause is weathering. The next one you're going to try on your own. What causes landforms on Earth to get smaller? Okay, to find out the effect is landforms on Earth get smaller. What causes that? Well, I'm going to reread the paragraph to you that starts with erosion. Erosion occurs when weathered pieces of rock are carried away by a natural force such as a river. This causes landforms on Earth to get smaller. They may even completely collapse over time. The Grand Canyon is an example of the effects of erosion. It was carved over thousands of years by the Colorado River. So what causes landforms to get smaller? That is going to be the word erosion. Finally, we're going to try to find the effect. The cause is that dirt and rocks are dropped in a new location. That is a process called deposition. So we're going to talk about deposition in the last paragraph. After the process of erosion, dirt and rocks are then dropped in a new location. This process is called deposition. Over time, a large collection of deposits may occur in one place. Depositions by water can build up a beach. Deposition by wind can create a substantial landform, such as a sand dune. So I think we're just going to kind of summarize that and just say that because of deposition, that landforms change. Now, the rest of the page is easier to do with the book, but this should at least give you a little background knowledge of what we did today in class. Thank you, and I hope you all feel better soon.